Ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to be a man of means to afford this deal. We've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home built in 1998 for just $28,500. This trailer is for sale, not for rent, offering a great floor plan and a door you can lock when no one's around. Please note, the land is not included, so you'll need to have land and move the trailer to your own spot. It's a charming, affordable home perfect for those seeking a cozy, secure place without breaking the bank. Don't miss your chance to be the king of your own road. Call Mountain Valley Properties at 209-892-8300, license number 011844629, California DRE. Make it yours today.
Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no